Welcome to 105 Cartway. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, the covered front porch, 1-car garage, and luxury vinyl plank flooring, as well as solid surface countertops throughout inside. It's located in the Greens at Longcreek Plantation neighborhood in Blythewood near Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-77 and I-20, Fort Jackson, and Northeast area amenities. So out front, you can see the home sits at the end of the street pretty much, and you have a 1-car wide driveway leading up to the 1-car garage. You have some nice stacked stone accenting on the facade and on the columns out front, as well as a nice covered front porch. A few steps up to the front porch itself, and we'll take a look inside. Then since we come into the foyer, you have luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring that's throughout the main level. As you can see, you do have a powder room or half bathroom off of the foyer. Nice wrought iron spindles as well on the stairwell. So single vanity and commode in here. Nice mirror. You can see the stairs up to the second level. We'll take a look up there in just a bit. Coat closet in the entry hall on your way to the open floor plan kitchen, dining, and living space. So you can see nice open kitchen here on the left in white. You have what I believe are quartz countertops. Don't quote me on that, but you can confirm that in the information online. Stainless steel appliances as well as white cabinets in here. So you have a French door refrigerator with the bottom drawer freezer, built-in microwave, smooth top electric range, and then a dishwasher down at that end. Also, the island here has a nice counter bar and is a great size. And you also do have a walk-in pantry in this corner for some great storage space. Then the dining room, of course, at the back, you have windows on the 2 walls there, and then a glass door out to the back patio. And you can see nice sized living room, high ceilings throughout this area with the flush mount lighting, also ceiling fan in that family room. And then the door out back lets you out to a nice patio, and then you back up to sort of a wooded space back here. Not sure exactly if that's another lot or just some dedicated wooded space, but at least at the time of the video you have that right behind you. So back inside, on the way back towards the stairwell, you have access to the 1-car garage. House is on a bit of a slope, so you do step down to it, of course. A few steps down, there's a small to mid-sized SUV parked inside right now. For an idea of scale, that slope does give you high ceilings in here to store some longer items if you need to. And you also have your water heater in here, as well as breaker panel and water shutoff for the whole house as well, I believe. So heading upstairs to the second level, you have a nice window here halfway up, letting in lots of natural light. Carpeting starts on the stairs and then continues throughout, except for the bathrooms and laundry room up here. You also have a nice loft space off of the landing upstairs. So you have 3 square windows there, so lots of light in the hallway. Could be used for a workspace. Also, it could be a playroom or just a small sitting area as well. And then we'll just go through the bedrooms that are off of the hall. So you have 3 up here. Here is one of those 3, faces the front of the house. And we'll give you a look inside the closet. An attic pull down in the hallway as well. Possible storage up there. Your laundry room is a full-size laundry room. You have side-by-side washer dryer connections, a shelf above, and also a linen closet in here. And all that is behind a door that closes off. Full bathroom for the 2 secondary bedrooms, double vanity, granite countertops in here. And then you have a private private room for the for the commode and the tub and shower. Bedroom number 2. And the closet's back over here, pretty much the same size as the closet in the first bedroom we saw. And last but of course not least is your master or primary suite. It's a nice size. You can easily accommodate a full-size bed in here. You have a window out towards the back and to the side of the house. You also have a walk-in closet on that opposite side. And it does go back behind the door as well. And then your full bathroom, which has double sinks in here as well. The granite countertops and LVP floors. And you also have a shower, walk-in shower. Nice big window at the back. Linen closet. And then also private water closet with a door that closes off the commode back here, and also a window in there as well. So that completes our tour of this home. 105 Cartway in Blythewood. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.